Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do strawberry shortcake. I had intended this video to come out before Canada Day because it's a perfect red and white dessert for Canada Day or a great dessert for 4th of July. Unfortunately, because of the heat wave here, we weren't able to do that, but you can enjoy this for the rest of the summer. It's really delicious, great summer recipe. Super easy to put together. I will show you, it's just made with whipped cream and strawberries and these lovely little shortcakes that I make. So I hope that you guys like this one as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get baking.
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out with all the wild roams and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be the light that only you can see. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. I'll be here when all gets lost. We can count on hope when there's rivers to cross. And I know our lives will always change, but our hearts forever stay the same. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out with all the wild roams and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be the light that only you can see. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. I'll be here when all gets lost. We can count on hope when there's rivers to cross. And I know our lives will always change, but our hearts forever stay the same. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out.
Okay, hi everyone. I am back with the strawberry shortcake. Asher's going to join me for the taste test, but I wanted to show you a little something first. So in the pictures you see them, they're beautiful, they are stacked really pretty, and they've got layers of whipped cream, and that's lovely for presentation. But if you're just going to enjoy these with your family or friends and you don't want to go through all that trouble, this is what we actually do. So that's kind of Instagram versus reality. So we take the biscuit and we just break it up in the bottom. Then I just take the whipped cream and I just put some on top in my bowl here. Like so. And then I actually, for the remaining berries, so I made this yesterday to get the pictures, and we did the taste test at home and everything. You can, so you'll see in the pictures in the video, there's two types. So I did it with just raw strawberries, and then I did it with macerated strawberries, and that's these sliced strawberries. I put a little bit of coconut sugar on them and just let them sit, and it creates kind of a juice. So we're gonna use this on top of this today. So then it looks like this. When I was a kid and I had strawberry shortcake, which actually wasn't a super common thing, we had pies and things more. The thing that I love though is the sugar syrup. So that's why I like the macerated berries, because it creates that really sweet, almost syrup, and it soaks into the biscuit, which is really yummy. So we'll show you what these look like. We'll do our taste test with these today, but that's how we do it at home. So if you want a shortcut, or you don't care about it looking so Pinterest perfect, then this is the way to go for sure. Okay, everyone, we are back. Asher's with me to do the taste test. So again, it's just the torn up biscuit, the macerated berries, and the whipped cream. Can you show them? Yeah, oh, lovely, thanks, babe. Now yesterday when you tried this, what did you give it?
2 thumbs.
2 thumbs you gave it yesterday when you tried it. We're gonna try it today, next day. So with anything with cassava flour, you can click and try it. Maybe not such a big bite this time. Okay. Anything with cassava flour, it's always best the same day. So what I did with the biscuits was I just lightly toasted them in the toaster oven, just to kind of soften them back up before I tore them up. How is it today?
Good.
Good? Is it still a 2 thumbs, or did it go down a little bit? Yeah? Oh, it is good, right? 2 thumbs up all around in the house, so that's a keeper redo. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this one as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.